Hi friends, it's Beth Kreakie with eXp Realty, and today we're at Windcrest Farms in Louisville, Kentucky. This house right here is the Wesley. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home, 2 stories, starting at about $335,000. It is a 1,800 square foot home with a 2-car garage. Come on, follow me. Come on. So when you walk in, immediately, this is the office. Great space. I don't know if I mentioned, but they have the glass doors.
Lots of natural light.
Lots of natural light. By the way, this home is literally a clean slate. You're going to notice a lot of white walls in this house. They're not all like that, but this one is, and it's for you to buy and make your own. Little closet. Open floor plan. Beautiful, huge, beautiful island in the kitchen. Going through here, there's also pantry. The laundry room is downstairs. And then there's a little half bath here off the kitchen, right before going into the garage. A nice little yard. This one particularly has kind of a crazy view right now because there's some new construction going in. This is part of the Maple Street collection, and that's what's going in behind here too, is more of those. By the way, I want to mention that today you are lucky enough to have an amazing camera person with me. I know, you're lucky, I'm lucky. It's Tara. I don't know if you can see her. She'll flip it around here in a little bit so you can see her. But for now, let's go upstairs and check out the bedrooms. I'm trying to get her to talk more. When you get up here, you're going to see a really great play area, loft. You could make this pretty much anything you wanted to. But you're going to come into a first little bedroom here. Has a huge walk-in closet, again, with the natural light in this place.
I just ran into the wall. It's fine.
Well, at least you didn't hit the phone or the camera, nope. I mean. Just your body. There is one full bath right over here, between here and the other bedroom.
Hey, here I am.
There she is.
Tile floors in this bathroom.
And by the way, I'm madly obsessed with the closet in here because there's a window.
Who doesn't love a window?
I know. I would never get wrong if that was black or blue. Isn't that great?
What a cute view.
I know, it's a cute view. You want to go see the primary? I promise you're not going to be disappointed.
I do.
Well, look, come on. Also a pretty good sized closet right there. And don't forget that primary bath. I do love that they have the same tile throughout the house. It's so much nicer when builders do that. Fisher Homes definitely knows what they're doing. Did you want to see Tara again? Don't you? I feel like you should. Don't you want to see Tara again? Hi. Hi. So here we are again, finishing up the Wesley. We hope you enjoyed this one too. So we just toured this beautiful home, the Wesley Model here in Windcrest Farms in Louisville, Kentucky. And we do this for you. My team and I film these kind of videos for you. And if you are interested in seeing any more of them, make sure that you like or subscribe on this right below. Make sure you do. Don't miss out. We don't want you to miss out. And we enjoy doing this. So we'll see you next time. Thank you.